I am very pleased to inform you that today we are going to conduct a Geo Canola GK quiz among 9th, 10th and 11th grades of different Akal academies. The the participant schools of this excellent quiz show are Akal Academy Gurusahib, Akal Academy Silsa, Akal Academy Keri and Akal Academy Boxing. Now I request Mr. Surya and his team to begin the quiz.
So this quiz is brought to you by Jeevo Canola Cooking Oil. And I'm told that first I have to say something about it. So let me say what is it. And I would request each one of you to buy at least 3 bottles. They're selling 3 bottles for 450 rupees. Which means you pay for 1 and you get 3 of them. So this oil, Jeevo Canola, the favorite healthy cooking oil of America, Canada, Japan and Australia, is now in India and is available in Badu Sahib only. So it has high vitamin E, which is good for skin. It has low bad fat, which is good for keeping good health. It has high good fat, which is needed. It has best ratio of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. And it is very good for brain. So please, while each one of you is going out, do buy 3 bottles at the price of 1 of Jeevo Canola oil. Okay, so here's team A of the host team called Badu Sahib Academy, Akal Academy Badu Sahib, and the participants are Harjot Singh, stand up. Say hello. Yeah. Okay, then we have Harcharan Singh, we have Jaideep Singh, and we have Yadvinder Singh. So let's clap for the Badu Sahib team. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Now we have team B, which is Akal Academy Dinsa, which is Ludhiana. So this is represented by Prabjot. Prabjot, just stand up, say hello.
Hi.
Then we have Vipandeep Kaur.
Hello.
We have Onkar Singh.
Hello.
And we have Harmanpreet Singh.
Hello. Good afternoon to everyone.
Yeah. Okay, so let's clap for team B. 1, 2, 3. Then we have team C, which is Reet Khedi Patiala. So this is represented by Kuldeep Singh.
Hello.
We have Vikramjeet Singh.
Hello.
We have Gurneet Kaur.
Hello.
And we have Anmol Rathod.
Hello.
So let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. And we have team D, which is Akal Academy Muktsar. Okay, and represented by Jagmanjot Singh.
Hello everyone.
We have Shivdeep Singh.
Hello.
We have Jaspinder Singh.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
So the first question is to the host team. Who, and you have 10 seconds. So there's 10 seconds, and if you know the answer in the audience, you can put your hand up. Also, please do not speak. Put your hand up. Okay. So the first question is, who is the present Prime Minister of Japan? Everybody listen up. The question is, who is the present Prime Minister of Japan? And they have 4 options. Option A, Fujitsu. Option B, Yoshihiko Noda. Option C, Hiroshima. Option D, Lao Tzu. So let me put the question again. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan? The options are A, Fujitsu, B, Noda, C, Hiroshima, D, Lao Tzu. And the answer is?
B. Noda.
And the answer is Yoshihiko Noda. And they are right. Okay, question to team B, which is Dinsa. And it says, most premium brand of the world in electronics is, and the answers are Mozilla, A, Mozilla, B, Dell, C, Apple, and D, Sony. And your answer?
C apple.
Okay, their answer is C, Apple, and they're right. Let's clap for them. Team C. Their question is, the Indian anti-tank missile is called MiG-16, NAG Nag B, C Bombardier, and D. Tornado. And your answer is?
B. Nag.
And their answer is B. Nag, and they're correct. So let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. And now we have Akal Academy Muktsar. And their question is, who won the Indira Gandhi 26th Award for National Integration in 2011? And the answers are A. Dr. Kiran Bedi, B. Mohan Dharia, C. Aung Suu Kyi, and D. Mother Teresa.
B.
And your
Mohan
answer
Dharia.
is?
B. Mohan Dharia.
And the answer is correct, B. Mohan Dharia. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. So the score at the end of the round 1 is?
Congratulations, all the teams have 10.
Now we are coming to the second round. And the second round, the first question to Team A. And the question is, the Kalgidhar Trust was started by Sant Atar Singh Ji in the year A. 1934, B. 1906, C. 1932, and D. 1947. And the answer is?
B 1906.
And the answer is B. 1906, and they're right. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. Team B. So the Team B question is, Baba Iqbal Singh Ji worked as professor at Harvard, Director Human Resource with Government of India, Director Agriculture Himachal Government, D. worked as an educator in Punjab. Again, A. Professor at Harvard University, B. Director Human Resource with Government of India, C. Director Agriculture Himachal Government, and D. worked as an educator in Punjab. And your answer is?
C.
And what is the answer?
Director.
So Baba Iqbal Singh Ji worked as Director Agriculture, Himachal Government, and the answer is correct. So let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have question number for Team C. Which of the following set of states is Kalgidhar Trust operational in? So the questions are Himachal, Punjab, A. B. Himachal, Haryana and Punjab, C. Punjab, Haryana and J&K, D. Rajasthan, UP, Himachal, Punjab and Haryana.
D.
And the answer is?
Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, UP.
D. Okay, and they're right. So they get 10 points for that. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. And now we have Team 4. Okay, your question is, Baru Sahib was founded by Sant Teja Singh Ji in the year A. 1954, B. 1955, C. 1956, and D. 1957. And your answer is?
C. 1956.
And the answer is C. 1956, which is correct. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3.
All teams are on 20, so it's a tough call for everybody. All the best.
Okay, great. So now we have the third round. First question. A college dropout started his organization at the age of 21, took home an annual salary of $1 per annum, was thrown out from the company he founded, and died recently at the age of 56. Who are we talking about? Michael Dell, Colonel Gaddafi, Steve Jobs, and Bill Gates.
Steve Jobs.
And the answer is correct. The answer is Steve Jobs. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. Second D, the racing circuit. So today at 3 o'clock, they'll be starting the racing in the Noida, the Greater Noida. Okay, so the racing circuit in Greater Noida that is hosting the inaugural Formula 1 Indian Grand Prix is named Gautam Budh International Circuit, Budh International Circuit, India International Circuit, and Formula 1 Track India.
C. Budh International Circuit.
And they're right. The answer is Budh International Circuit. Great. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, question for you. Who among the following is not a recipient of the Nobel Prize in the Physics for 2011? Who among these are not a Nobel Prize, is not a Nobel Prize winner in physics for 2011? Brian P. Schmidt, A. B. Adam Rees, D. Dan Shipman, and C. Dan Shipman, and D. None of these. And your time is over. And the answer is C, which is Dan Shipman. We're not doing the audience. There's no time. Okay, we're not doing the audience question because there's no time, I'm told. Okay, fourth. No. The full name of the man popularly known as Anna Hazare is, so the man is Anna Hazare, and his full name is A. Kisan Baburao Hazare, B. Baburao Anna Hazare, C. Anna Baburao Hazare, and D. Baburao Hazare. And his name is Kisan Baburao Hazare. And they're right, so they get 10 points. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. So that was the round 3. So let's have the score.
Baru Sahib 30, Dinsa 30, Reeth Keri 20, and Muksa 30. All the best.
Okay, so the next question is up for Baru Sahib. And the question is, see and listen to this musical instrument. Fine? And see what is the name for it in English. So everybody look at it and I'm going to blow it for you. So here's for you. Okay, so this is called in English A. Trumpet, B. Vuvuzela, C. Dumdubi, and D. Flute. And your answer is?
B. Vuvuzela.
And it is called Vuvuzela. And the answer is correct. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the team B. Now listen to this Hindi song. Okay, everybody listen up. Listen to this Hindi song and see which English song this is inspired by. So here's the Hindi song for you.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा.
Okay, and the answers are A. Country Roads by John Denver, B. My Best Days Are Ahead of Me by Danny Goki, C. 500 Miles by John Denver, and D. Hips Don't Lie by Shakira. And your answer is?
C.
And the answer is C. And it's correct answer. Let's clap for them. 1, 2, 3. 500 Miles by John Denver. Listen to the audio and tell which English film is it from. So everybody listen up. Listen up and see which English film this audio is from.
You never know what you're going to get. Those must be comfortable shoes.
Okay, it's a famous saying which says, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. And the films are A. Gandhi, B. Karate Kids, C. Sound of Music, and D. Forest. And your answer is?
C.
And their answer is C. Sound of Music, which is wrong. The correct answer is D, which is Forrest Gump. Now we have which Hindi song was inspired from this song. So listen to this clip and see. Listen to this.
Someone taught me how to dance last night. What a mover he was.
And the options are A. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई फ्रॉम दबंग. B. आप जैसा कोई फ्रॉम कुर्बानी. C. जीना यहां मरना यहां फ्रॉम मेरा नाम जोकर. एंड D. दिन चक्का फ्रॉम रेडी. So what's your answer?
D.
And D is wrong. The answer is to B, which is आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए from कुर्बानी. Okay, we have a tie between Baru Sahib and Ditsa. So we have one question which we're going to ask them. Here's the last question, which is the tiebreaker. You want to have a tiebreaker or you want to win prize? Okay, let's have a tiebreaker. Both. Okay, let's award both. Okay, great. Okay, so we're going to award both, as doctors have said. So may I request Dr. Saab to please come and give the prize to them. Please come.
प्रार्थना की जाती है अकाल कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन रजिया, जो कलगीधर ट्रस्ट का कॉलेज है, वो वहाँ के हवलदार मक्खन सिंह पटियाला, अब 4 लड़कियाँ जो एनसीसी की कैडेट हैं, कृपया लेकर के उनको मंच पर आएंगे. डॉक्टर साहब, हॉर्स राइडिंग, मार्शल आर्ट, रॉक क्लाइंबिंग, अपने अपने स्थान पर पहुँचें. और
Okay, and all the teams for the participation get a vuvuzela to carry back home. So please keep on. Yeah, I'll keep on blowing. And do not blow them in people's ear because it's very dangerous. So let's start from the Buxar team. So you get the vuvuzela and of course the certificate. Well done. Keep it up. Great. Well done. Great.
एक को कर रहा हूँ.
Can you get some more, please? Vuvuzela, some more vuvuzela quickly. All of them, quickly, all of them. The bag. Get the bag up.
बीरी सिंह सर, कृपया वहाँ पर पुरस्कार का अरेंजमेंट करें. नहीं,
Everybody gets it. For participation.
माननीय श्री GR मुसाफिर जी, स्पीकर, फॉर्मर स्पीकर हिमाचल प्रदेश असेंबली एंड प्रेजेंट MLA of Pachad,
Yeah.
will address us. Akavi ji are accompanying him.